Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-login sa ating SSS nang hindi na kailangan ng OTP or hindi nakakatanggap ng OTP. First, punta muna tayo sa ating Play Store. Search nyo doon my SSS. Then, kailangan alam ninyo yung user ID ninyo at yung inyong password. Then, click nyo lang yung login. Then, makikita nyo na agad dito yung total contribution ninyo and yung last posted contribution. Dito, pwede nyo makita yung mga benefits nyo, yung loan, services, at yung PRN nyo. Sa benefits, nandito yung sickness benefits, disability, like this. Ayan. Disability, easy medical benefits, retirement benefits. Dito naman sa loan, makikita nyo doon yung salary loan at calamity loan. Sa service naman, yung ating maternity notification. At sa PRN, kung kayo'y magbabayad ng inyong contribution. So, ganun lang kadali guys. Sana nakatulong ang video na to. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And pakiclick na din notification para lagi kang updated sa aking mga video. See you in my next vlog. Bye!